Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Welcome to my channel Stotramala, daily chanting shlokas. In this video, we will learn 4 to 5 shlokas of Ma Saraswati. Goddess Saraswati is one among the three Devis along with Parvati and Lakshmi. And she is Brahma's wife. She is the mother of all 4 Vedas. Vedas are Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharva Veda. She is the goddess of knowledge and wisdom. She is also called as Vidyadi Devate, means goddess of learning. We need her blessings for the learning of academics, creative things, music, art, and for everything. So we call her Sharade. She helps to balance mind, heart, and soul for holistic development. And she is the goddess of Vakshakti too. Vakshakti means ability to speak fluently. So we call her Vani. She helps to remove ego and mental darkness. अज्ञान की अंधकार को दूर करने के लिए हेल्प करती है माँ. In South India, Ma Sharda is worshipped at the time of Navratri. All books, Puranas, Granthas, Bhagavad Gitas, and all academics books also kept in Puja Mandir for all 9 days of Navratri. And on Vijayadashmi, books are removed from puja and everyone at the home must read at least one chapter of a book. If any small child is there at home, child's first Akshara Abhyasa is done on same day, that is on Vijayadashmi, or it's also called as Vidyadashmi. In North India, Saraswati Puja or Sharda Puja is done on Basant Panchami. Here some shlokas are there. We will learn. First one. Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmira Puravasini Tvamaham Prarthaye Nityam Vidyadanancha Dehi Me. Second one. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Third one. Padmapatra Vishalakshi Padmavandini Keshini Nityam Padmalayan Devi Samham Patu Saraswati. Fourth one. Ya Kundendu Tusharahara Dhavala Ya Shubhra Vastranvita Ya Veena Varadanda Manditakara Ya Shveta Padmasana Ya Brahmachuta Shankara Prabhritibhi Devai Sada Pujita Samham Patu Saraswati Bhagavate Nishesha Jadyapaha. Fifth one. Chaturmukha Mukhavasam Matrikakshararupinim Chaturbhujam Shubhravarnam Veena Vadana Tatparam Kantapustaka Hastadhyam Sarva Vidya Pradayinim Vangmayim Sarva Sampujyam Sharadambam Bhajamyaham. अपार विद्या बुद्धि और ज्ञान के लिए माँ सरस्वती का ध्यान कीजिए एंड ये श्लोकों का पठन कीजिए. जय शारदांबे. See you in the next video. Hari Om.